Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As you know well, a couple days ago, in the month of Muharram, a very famous electronic media channel, G News, aired and shared and broadcasted very sensitive and blasphemous content on its program, Safar Ishq. And indeed, this program and this content, this blasphemous content, hurts our heart because they showed the way we really we don't want to watch. That's why the Muslim or the world, across the world, they boycott. But PAMRA and the government of Pakistan, they banned G News, but it was only for 14 days. So we, the Muslim of the world, we demand of the permanent ban of G News because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Prophet Muhammad, lives in our heart. We have zero tolerance regarding the disrespect of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam because we all have a strong dignity and a strong faith and love regarding the last messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we firmly demand regularity authorities, PAMRA and the government of Pakistan to take immediate and strict action against this particular channel, G News, and announce the permanent ban of this G News. Wassalam. Thank you so much.